Who is this present from, Ella?
Papa.
Abby, who's your present from?
Papa.
Hey, Isaac, let's open yours.
Open it, Papa.
What
What is this?
What is this? What's in there?
I don't know. What's in there? What's in it?
Let's look.
Would you like me to help you?
You. Look what I got.
Let's see.
What's that? I wonder what's that.
Get it, Isaac. Open it. You know.
What's that?
It's inside there.
I'm opening Papa. That's
Ooh! Oh, look! It's some new clothes. Let's look at it. Look. It's a pretty little shirt with a hoodie.
Hoodie shirt, Ella.
Hey, that is so, it's like a dress with little leggings. Look at that, Ella. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, you want to try it on?
Yeah.
Look at Abby. Abby got one too.
And what's this?
It's got little leggings.
What's this?
It's little leggings. Look at that.
Hands.
Yeah, look. Oh, that's so pretty.
Hey, Isaac, what did you get? Besides paper.
Look, Isaac. Oh, it's a doggy. You want to hug it?
Who gave you all these presents, girls?
Who's this from? From Papa. You want to try that on? Okay.
What's it say? Make a film sound.
Boogly, boogly. Yay!
Yay, Isaac.
That's a cute little dog.
Dance, Isaac. Can you wag your tail? Dance. Push your button, Isaac. That's the off button, I think.